Imagine this: a world-shattering moment when every volcano on Earth erupts simultaneously. A cataclysm unlike anything in human history. Here's a step-by-step vision of that apocalyptic nightmare. The first hours: global ignition without warning. Over 1,500 active volcanoes across the globe erupt. Not just the usual suspects like Kilauea, Etna, and Mount Fuji, but sleeping giants too. Yellowstone, Toba, Taupo, and Campi Flegrei. Even seafloor volcanoes rupture, heaving tsunamis into motion. Cities vanish in minutes. Naples, surrounded by Vesuvius and Campi Flegrei, is incinerated. Jakarta and Tokyo are buried under ash. Mega eruptions send pyroclastic flows racing down slopes at hundreds of km/h, leveling everything. Ash clouds blacken the skies globally, choking jet engines, blocking sunlight, and collapsing buildings under their weight. The first week's the death of light. The sun disappears behind a global veil of volcanic ash and sulfur aerosols. Temperatures plummet by 10-15 degrees C, 18-27 degrees C worldwide, a volcanic winter. Crops fail en masse. Global food supply chains shatter. Starvation begins. Acid rain corrodes infrastructure and poisons water supplies. The oceans boil and steam where underwater volcanoes erupt, releasing massive amounts of CO2 and methane. The global effects: collapse of civilization, mass extinctions begin. Animals and humans alike are caught in a death spiral. Coastal cities are swept away by tsunamis. Inland ones crumble beneath quakes and ash falls. Power grids fail, communication dies. Nations fall into chaos and war over dwindling resources. Refugees number in the billions, but there is no safe zone. The long dark, Earth transformed. For years, sunlight is nearly absent. Earth's surface becomes a cold, gray wasteland. Agriculture is impossible. Disease spreads. Populations dwindle. Survivors huddle underground in bunkers or caves, living off scraps and geothermal energy. The sky remains dark red, filled with lightning and ash, a permanent twilight. Civilization reverts to tribal survivalism. Myths are born from memory. The aftermath: a new Earth. If humanity survives at all, it is in tiny pockets. The biosphere is changed forever. New landscapes rise: basalt plains, lava fields, and calderas spanning continents. Evolution begins anew in a radically altered climate. The age of humans is over. The age of ash has begun.